Well, it's warmer and it's raining. It's Sunday the 1st of February. So right now it's 7.4 degrees. Overnight it was 4.3, and during the day yesterday it was 8.8. It's obviously only just started raining during the night, so we'll call that 5 millimeters. Right, out here in the field behind us, it's misty, if not foggy. Cows in the distance in the cuckoo stone field. Can't see what's happening on the 303 because it's too misty or foggy. So, it's Sunday the 1st of February and it's raining.